You get the best of both worlds with Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture, a global leader with multiple sites in Canada, the US, Europe, and Asia, and the flexibility to have your projects built locally. Eclipse ties all aspects of the business together with our ERP, which allows us to share resources seamlessly and collaborate between projects, divisions, and geographies. Each Eclipse location operates under the same ISO-controlled procedures and uses the same software following the same design and quality standards. In addition, we utilize product design management software to further enable design collaboration and ensure design revision control, particularly important on repeat equipment manufacture programs. Eclipse's global presence means you get the benefits of its broad-reaching and actively managed global supply chain. Our team proactively works with vendors to ensure optimal lead times with the objective of procuring the best materials at the best prices and to source them in the timeliest way possible so that your project stays on schedule and milestones are met. Eclipse Automation has the strength and expertise of a world leader, together with the agility, adaptability, and personal attention of a locally operated business. You really can have the best of both worlds. For more information on how we can design and build the future together, please visit eclipseautomation.com.